Tēnā koutou my cousins, kei te tino hio moa hau. Oh, I'm really excited because today I'm going back to school. Oh, I'm going back to kura. All right. Dad, I'm off.
Where you off to?
Oh, to kura.
What, to school? What for?
Ki te ako, to learn.
Fair enough. Be nice to the other kids, eh?
Love you, Dad.
Love you too, son. Be school after cool. Ooh, that's not right.
This is going to be amazing, my cousins. I haven't been to kura in like 20 years. It's ages ago. I'm going to make it my mission to learn as much as possible. Gather the knowledge, pass it down to the mokopuna. Oh, you're never going to guess where I'm going to kura. Come on, we're almost there. Check it out! Takukura-ho! My new school! That's right, my cousins. I'm going to flight school. I'm going to learn how to fly a wakarererangi, an aeroplane. Let's go!
Hello.
Kia ora. Buzz the Cuz reporting for his first day of flight training.
Oh, yes, Buzz. Welcome to the Aotearoa Club. I'm Mark.
Kia ora, Mark.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Permission for the cousins to join as well?
Of course. Kia ora, cousins. Follow me.
Whoa! This buddy is awesome!
Buzz, today we're going to see if you've got what it takes to be a pilot.
Buzz, kaiuru mi wakarererangi. Oh, I've always wanted to be a pilot. And a mermaid.
Well, you're in the right place to be a pilot.
Oh.
Today I'll be your instructor. You can call me Mark. Instructor Mark, or the man.
And is the your first name?
Let's go for a pre-flight briefing in the pilot's office. Yeah, follow me. Fly safe.
Fly safe. Tick. Ooh, pushback. What happens when you take a watch on a plane? Time flies. Oh, Aro, Buzz. Focus!
And come back to the airport. The other way. Left-hand pattern.
Yes, sir!
All right, Buzz, you've successfully completed your trial flight briefing. Let's go to the plane.
Check it out! This wakarererangi is amazing! Check out the propeller! Oh, so beautiful! Oh, and look at the pakiho! The wings! Wow! And look at the little weeder! Oh, so cute! This wakarererangi is awesome! Hongi! Modi ora. Oh, keep us safe.
All right, Buzz. Let's do our pre-flight inspection.
Check.
The engine bunks.
Check.
Fuel vent bung.
Check.
Oil check.
Check.
Fuel check.
Fuel quantity. Check. Fuel quality. Check.
Tire pressure check.
Check.
All right, Buzz, let's get in the plane. Over the shoulder.
Perfect. Oh, what does this thing do?
So that's the control column.
Left. Right. Down. And up.
That's good.
Woo! I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go, Mark?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Let's do it!
Oh yeah, take off! Awesome! Oh, check it out! Those are houses down there. Oh, there they are. Oh yeah! Beautiful whenua. Whenua o ngai takato. Etsu. Te tiro my cousins, ko Lake Mātu te ngoa tēnei roto. That's where I had a waka-ama race with the Ngātu Lakers and almost won. Aotearoa. We're getting up in the cloud. Another cuz back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I am with the man, the myth, the legend, Mark, in an aeroplane. We're just currently heading out to 90 Mile Beach. Oh, look, we've made it to the Tātahi. Need some people down there fishing. Oh, when you get this high, you can really see how long the beach is, eh? Oh, that's a... It's so beautiful up here. So there we go. Why don't you just look at the controls over to you, handing over, taking over. We're not making any big movements. We're just under there. Now you're fine. I'm flying! I'm doing it! Yee-hee! Oh my goodness! I've always wanted to fly a plane. Yes, cousins, we're doing it! Oh my manu! Oh my manu! I can see why you became a pilot. It was fun, eh? Oh yeah! The landing point down there, my cousins. Coming in for landing. Tinker, baby. Is that a handbrake? That's the flap. Here we go. Whee! Coming in for landing.
Well, Buzz, now that you got your buzz wings, I got you this.
Oh! Top Gun jacket! How do I look?
Great.
Oh, that was amazing, my cousins. Mark, you really are the man.
You're the man too, Buzz, and Got one more surprise for you. Follow me.
Another surprise! Find my cousins! Oh, I can't see anything.
Your hands are covering your eyes.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Buzz the cuz, present to you your trial flight certificate. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, the man. I'd like to thank my mum, my dad, my brother John Boy, Zion, and all the cousins. Without you, I wouldn't be here right now. I'll see you tomorrow, Instructor Mark. Ka kite.